This is a 2011 Land Rover LR4. It features a 5.0-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, keyless ignition, an air suspension, a locking center differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a Harman Kardon audio system, a low tire pressure indicator, big 19-inch wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering West Houston Infiniti for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 12200 I-10 West, the Katy Freeway between Kirkwood and Derry Ashford Road in Houston.